When you subscribed to Creative Divorce Documents, you received access to the complete library of divorce forms and helpful tools. What you did not receive and will have to create and regularly update are 3 databases or pick lists for the program to run successfully. The first is a database for information about your law firm, its attorneys and staff. The second is a contact list or players of outside or external attorneys and other professionals. The third is a master list of all Colorado District Court judges and magistrates. With 64 counties and over 350 district court judge and magistrate positions, a complete and up-to-date list of those individuals is difficult to maintain on a statewide basis. Keeping that list of judges and magistrates current where you practice will be up to you. Creative Divorce Documents will have an initial master list of judicial officers loaded into a file for your use with Creative Divorce Documents, but maintaining it will be up to individual law firms licensed to use the program. There will be 3 First Things First videos, setting up and maintaining those files and players lists. This is the first in the 3-part series of First Things First videos. In this tutorial, we will address the creation of a firm database. When you open Creative Divorce Documents, the library window opens. On the left side is a list of all the forms and files needed to run Creative Divorce Documents. For the 3 videos in this series, we will concentrate on the administrative folder and, in this particular tutorial, the data management firm file. Double-clicking on that file opens the interview to enter data concerning your firm, attorneys, and staff. In the interview, there are several dialogues to consider. The initial dialogue allows you to enter data concerning your firm. When entering data, for reasons to be shown in a later video, make sure that you do not enter any extra spaces before and after entries. I will quickly populate this dialogue with my firm's data and click Next to proceed to the following dialogue. This dialogue allows you to enter information concerning the lawyers in the firm. It is a repeating dialogue. You may enter as many attorneys as you have in the firm by clicking Add Another at the end of each entry. I will populate that dialogue with my information and then select Add Another to enter my associate's information. Again, I will quickly fill in the entire dialogue with pre-populated information. Clicking Next allows me to complete information concerning the office staff. Again, this is a repeating dialogue that allows you to keep entering staff information by clicking Add Another for each additional paralegal or other support team member. By clicking Next, we move to letterhead preferences. If your firm uses a pre-printed letterhead, select that option and a window opens for you to enter the number of lines from the top to begin your letter. That is usually the date of the correspondence. My firm's preference would be 7 lines from the top to enter the date. If you utilize an electronic letterhead in your Word documents, that preferences needs to be incorporated in the letter template for your firm. The remaining dialogues are merely summaries of information for the attorneys and staff members. Thanks for viewing this video. Be sure to look at the next video. Players, external attorneys and other professionals.